Hello family, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijoma Florence. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're highly welcome to the family. For all my subscribers and all my returning viewers, I heart you guys so much. Thank you for your love and your support, okay? So as you can see from the screen, I revamped an old wig for one of my clients, okay? So I'll be taking you step by step on how I was able to revamp this wig. So guys, if this sound interesting to you, continue watching the video. So the first thing I did was to boil my hot water, then I now mix it with cold water so that it became lukewarm or warm water. Okay, so after that I now added my mega growth shampoo. Guys, this shampoo was good. I can recommend it anytime. And one thing with me is that whenever I want to revamp, I don't economize our products, so I put enough shampoo. Okay, so after that I detangled the wig I'm about to revamp with my Revamp comb, and after that I left it to stay inside hot water for 10 minutes. Yeah, after 10 minutes I now came back to start washing the wig. The pattern I normally use whenever I'm washing is that if it's happened to be a wig that has closure lace, I'll start from washing the closure first, as you can see from the video. You know, a lot of people do tint their closure with foundation, concealer, and other things. So I make sure I wash that part properly, okay? So after that, I move to elastic band. So basically, I normally watch my wig step by step. I'm taking it one at a time. So when I'm done washing the elastic band, and now washed the dome cap. As you can see, I washed the dome cap, that is the black net inside. So after that is the right time to wash the main hair or the wig, okay? And while washing, guys, don't squeeze your hair or your client's hair in such a way you would damage it. Don't wash it exactly the way you wash your clothing, okay? See how I'm doing it. Just pamper it so that you will not damage your client or your own wig. And it's very important that as you washed, you need to be detangling it so that the wig or the hair will be free from tangling, okay? So let me wash the second one. Actually, I revamped 2 weeks, okay? So I started off again from the closure parts. I made sure I washed it thoroughly before I'll now move to the dome cap, that is the black net. So while washing, take your time. Do not rush anything. One step at a time, okay? One step at a time. And if you think that there is need for you to continue adding shampoo while washing, please do well to do that, okay? As you can see from the video, I did not economize my shampoo, okay? So this is me now washing the main hair, adding extra shampoo. I don't joke with that. I make sure that all the dirt on it goes out, okay? So while washing your own wig or while washing for customers, do well to wash it properly so that tomorrow that client will now recommend you to another person or refer you to another person, okay? From there you'll be getting new contacts. So always do well to watch properly. Okay, so watch the video is self-explanatory. Yeah, as you can see, I'm done washing. Look at how dirty the water looks. I rewashed it again for the second time, but now off camera. So after rinsing it out for the second time, I now made use of my deep conditioner from Mega Growth. I applied it gently. I use quantity amount of this deep conditioner, okay? So after the application, I now detangle using my comb. I did the same to the other wig, I revamped 2 week for this my sweet clients, okay? So I detangled it very well. So guys, after the application for the both wigs, I allowed it to stay for 10 minutes. I did not rinse it out immediately after application. Instead, I allowed it to stay for 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes, I now came back to rinse it out. Okay. So guys, this is me rinsing out the deep conditioner, okay, after the 10 minutes. I've done the first rinsing off camera, so now was the second one, okay. I made sure I rinse very well. So why doing yours, make sure that you rinse very well so that all the products will be out from the wig, okay. So guys, after rinsing for this second time, like I've said, I rinsed it properly. I made sure that all the products gone out. So after rinsing it for a second time, the next thing I used was my leave-in conditioner from the same products, that is Mega Growth products. This time around, after the application, I did not rinse it out. After applying this or leave-in conditioner, I also added other things. Okay, then I made use of my steam bag to steam this wig. I did not record those parts, but all the things I use for this revamping will be on my description box. I'll make sure I listed all the items used. Okay, like I've said, after applying this leave-in conditioner, I also used other ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna list all of them on my description box. So here is the wig after it must have dried, guys. So this time around, I'm going to focus on this short one because of the urgency from my clients. Okay, so because my clients needed it so quick, so I couldn't be able to, to complete the video with the black wig. Okay, that one is a coils wig. I would have shown you guys how I achieve heatless coils or for this my client, but all the same, I know that very soon I'm gonna revamp wig again. So maybe by that time I will show you guys how to achieve heatless coils. So guys, back to this very one now. As you can see from the screen, I'm straightening it with my straightener, okay, supporting it with my comb. as you can see. So I'll continue to, to straighten it like this until I finish all of them. So while doing yours, make sure that you take your time. Straighten it very well so that the hair will blend and look good. Okay, so that when your customer sees it, she will be happy to, to give you your money. Okay. So this is me straightening the wig, taking my time, making sure that I'll I'm giving out my best. Okay, trying to see that I please my customer. Okay, so that's how I'll continue doing it. So guys, if you are still watching down to this clip, oh, you are the real MVP. You are the real MVP. I love you guys to the moon and back. Okay, so if I have given you reason to like my video, please do support your girl. Support your girl's ministry, okay, by hitting the subscribe button. Share the video with friends and family. Okay, look at. So it's just remaining the closure parts, and we are done. Look at it. Yeah, guys, after straightening the hair, the next thing I did was to use my wax stick and my hot comb to flatten the closure parts. So always make sure that you flatten your closure part so that when you wear it, it will not be buggy on your head. Okay, so that it will look flat and fits your face. Okay, so that's the essence of flattening it. That's the essence of using a wax stick and hot comb. So guys, if you have learned one thing or the other from this video, all you need to do is to support your girl's ministry. Let's grow this channel together. Okay, support your girl by hitting the red button, that is subscribe button. Like my video, give it a very big thumbs up, share with family and friends, because you can never tell who might find this video helpful. And do well to watch other of my videos. Okay, if you have any hairstyle or you want anything concerning hair you want me to do, write it on the comment section. I'm gonna reply you. Thank you for watching the video. Until my next one, bye bye.